Shout out to the VIP. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's go over the details. We have some exciting price action with Bitcoin currently at 30,490. Pardon me. We have been in an upward trajectory since I put out the video saying calling all bulls. You know that. Way to go. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former financial professional and not financial advice. You guys know that. Former hedge fund owner, etc. Non-SEC privatized that was. And in terms of the details here, we're going to go through all of the information, particularly for the VIP, our top level of membership. Guys, I'm a member as well. We love to trade in the back. Consistent, guys, consistent. Just huge trades ongoing in the back. VIP is where it is at. Very exciting to see just all the power. What's up with Freddie? My man, what's up, Freddie? I'm going through a few of these just to show you guys what we've had recently. Look at, for instance, let's look at Freddie, 90%. Freddie, 169%. 508% was another one, guys. In and around, we have had a ton of good trades. Congratulations to the VIP. Way to go. Way to go, Freddie. Way to go, everybody. And if you missed the shout out, you'll have to rewatch the stream. So in terms of the dynamics in play, what I like right now is that the whole market is looking at an ascending triangle. The whole market is wrapping their mind around the fact that on the USD chart, BTC USD chart, and as you guys come in the room, please hit the like button. Let me know that you are not a robot. Let me know that you are not a robot. You're a human being. I'd appreciate that very much. As we look at the circumstance here, the candle wick. Okay, go to the candle wick, and this looks best on a big screen TV, without a doubt. You guys know that, right? Flat top. This is the 30-minute right now. The flat top with the ascending line of support coming into play is one of the most, guys, it's one of the strongest features you can trade. Okay, so if we can get up and through this level, 32,500, 32,600, again, I let you know a few days ago in terms of the ascending triangulation. If you guys will just look at this real quickly, let's find this. Where did I put this in terms of tweets? You guys can always follow the tweets because there's some very important information in there that I do present to you. Looking at look at this here. In terms of the ascending framework, I just want to introduce this to you. A few days ago, look at this. When we were heading down, guys. We were heading down. Look at the you can see this, but this was just a Twitter only, right? A Twitter only, guys. A Twitter only video. You have to follow on Twitter. This was a Twitter only video. Look at the ascending triangle that I have drawn in there. Boom. Huh? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, VIP? Look at that. Boom. Not bad, guys. That's not bad. That's quality stuff there. Huh? That's primo. That's choice. You guys see that? That's choice. Look at that. Calling an ascending triangle from here. Boom. See when the price is heading down? Bam. Then where are we at? Look at this. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. That's VIP, man. You can't slice it or dice it any other kind of way. That's VIP, guys. That's what's up. Huh? Very nice move. Boom, to the upside. Very impressive, guys. So in terms of the price action, congratulations to those who are trading, to the VIP traders. That's it, guys. People want to stop back in and say hi or tell us off or whatever else. That's fine. Let them do it. Then. Ciao. We got an exclusive group. It's VIP, and it has to be exclusive because, honestly, they are that good at traders. I have to tell you, they are that good in terms of trading. It has to be exclusive, guys. They're extremely good in terms of the traders in the back. I had a pleasure of chatting with AJ Crypto today. AJ, what's up, brother? Hope you're doing well. Glad to know that you're feeling better. In terms of Sean, also hope you're feeling better. Hope everything's going great. But, yeah, this is what VIP is made of, guys. Boom. You see that huge hit there, the level of support. Boom, right? And people, maybe they'll get bored of watching this. They're not VIP. Look at this. Look at this. Beforehand. Boom, right? The hourly chart. Just beautiful pickup. Way to go, VIP. That's money, guys. What that is. That is money. That is money, you guys know. It's money. If you're trading, that is money. Way to go, VIP. Several trades. Anthony, shout out, Anthony. What's up, boss? You got what, a 250% again this morning? Every day you wake up, if the price is moving, Anthony is trading. Guy can kill it. I'm really excited that you guys are focusing on Bitcoin, premier asset, right? As we would talk about it, guys, you have to understand the premier asset without a doubt. Very important. No altcoin, no, guys. Well, you can make a little money on this one. Well, You can also lose your shirt. You can literally lose your wardrobe, your shirt, your closet, your house. You can lose everything on an altcoin. We like Bitcoin. She's predictable. She'll hold any amount of cash that you have. Any cash position in terms of liquidity, Bitcoin will hold it. And for those of you who are working on your trade game, look at the flat top ascending line of support. For those of you who are literally refining and perfecting your trade game, you do not know how important it is that down the road Bitcoin will be able to literally hold any amount of liquidity that you have in a trade. It's hugely important, guys. Hugely important. Whether or not you're on futures, whether or not you're on spot, etc., guys. There's some differentials there. But we're just excited right now about the price action. It's lovely to see this. Very, very impressive. Let's dig into the lower time frames and see where we're at. Why don't we do that? If you guys would let me know, any VIP around, let me know what's up. How you guys doing? I hope everything is going well. The last thing that we did was just kind of confirm the fact that on this, I'd say this more micro time frame, okay, I have my Fibonacci's in light gray in the back to not distract, okay, just to not distract. As we were heading down, okay, first of all, I let the video out this afternoon. I let the video out to let you know you had a decision to make. That's the way I put it. You had a decision to make. You guys know that, right? Anytime your screen turns green, you have a decision to make, without a doubt. Now, what did I bring up in that specific video? I brought up the rising wedge. Copy that. Let me go ahead and make these green. I think on the video they were green, right? So in terms of that, was letting you guys know that you had a decision to make and to kind of mind this rising wedge. Without a doubt, guys. Very important pattern. Looking at that rising wedge feature on the, let's look at this on the, we can look at multiple time frames, whether or not you're on the hourly, whether or not you're on the 30-minute, etc. You'll see just the constriction here, right? In terms of that upward, the upward trajectory, constricted by the level of resistance across the top. I've got the regression trend here, okay, parked in red and blue. That's automated. That'll show you the standard deviation. Okay, that'll show you the standard deviation. All right, in terms of that, it's nothing that requires calculating, etc. It's just a standard deviation. Okay, so we've had a great start to the day. You guys know that because Freddie nailed that short. Boom, on the hourly, back to target. Right, Freddie? Way to go, brother. There's a target. Boom, nice. Anthony carried up. I think several VIP did, but I know Anthony did carry up in terms of over 250% in terms of the profits. Just astounding. Just exciting gains. Triple digit, 100 rounds, bring it. Nice. If you don't know what we're talking about 100 rounds, right? If you don't know how to trade, give the market 100 rounds. Give it 100 rounds and let us help you. Let us help you walk through the details in terms of how to set up maybe a hedge. You don't want to lose, right, your first trade or anything like that. Well, set up a hedge. It'd be impossible to lose both sides completely, right? I mean, you could, but that's not most likely, right? You could try. You could figure out a way to do it wrong, and yeah, it does happen. But in terms of that, we're excited for all you that you're understanding what hedge is, that you're understanding a lot of the dynamics of play. Very nice. So looking at a pickup here on level of support, you'll see a more constricted rising wedge. Now, again, a rising wedge is typically a bearish feature, right? They're what we target when they complete to the upside and leave the downside below, right? So looking on the hourly framework, right, we like to, and it can be dangerous, guys. You got to be careful in terms of the downside. You can get left in the dust, but it's an agreed upon between the buyers on support, the sellers on resistance. It's an agreed upon price. You have to mention, guys, in terms of the actual dynamics of the market, both in terms of the demand function, yes, and in terms of the technical function. We discussed both of those parameters, right? The technical function is, boom, is an agreed upon price. That constriction, right? The rising constriction, typically a bearish feature. You'll see that this one broke out to the upside. Thus, we target that agreed upon price. And you can check with VIP in terms of how frequently those have been hitting. You got to be careful. You can't bet the ranch on it, right? And I just tell you guys that you cannot bet the ranch on it. Don't go doing that, okay? But in terms of ability to trade, just providing directional guidance when the market can do it, meaning you're up, right, out of something that should have gone down. Well, what's the next thing you should do? Honestly, it's amazing, huh? You're up out of something that should have gone down. What's the next thing you should do? Well, maybe look to where, maybe look down. Right, it's very very intuitive once you get the hang of it, and it really does have some teeth to it. It's a nice way to trade. You have to be able to let a target go or have enough patience with the target. You guys know that. You've got to have patience with the target. At times it will surprise the heck out of you. This downside target here, everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I'm not one to beat my, beat the drum in terms of downside targets, etc. When we're going up, like I'm a bull. We like to push to the upside. We need kind of a captain in the back in terms of downside targets. I think we talked about that. We'll see who wants to do that. Not a real captain, just whatever. Just whoever's in charge of the whoever wants to be in charge of the downside targets. Just keep them on your chart. When I delete them, make sure that you still have them. Boom, because that looks easy now. No problem. No problem. Targeting, like we should have gone down here. All right, preceding action on the hourly. Yeah, we traject up. We talked about the Elliott wave count. Okay, to the top, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We talked about that, right? Then we traject down, bam. Big trades, huge trades for anybody who wanted them, guys. So as we're looking right now, this is just carving to the upside. We know why. That's the important thing right now. We know why she's carving to the upside. Let me go ahead and just reframe this as best I could. Again, if you're just joining, look at this. This was June 1st. This was before we picked up, and look at this, drawing out the ascending triangulation before while we were falling down in this zone. Boom, guys, that's the ascending triangle. Look, 25% plus and $40,000 Bitcoin, question mark, right? Possible ascending triangle. Bulls must show up in force. Are you bull or bear? Let's trade, right? That's what I'm sending you. That's a big deal, guys. That video only went out to the Twitter crowd. So if you're not on Twitter, guys, you got to get on Twitter, step it on up. This is good stuff. At least get you thinking about the patterns. Always project where you anticipate price going. Project those patterns, right? Be prepared for the bull and the bear scenario. Always, guys. And so in terms of that pickup here, we've seen just this consistent push to the upside. Had it laid out pretty well there, and that's I think that's perfect, right? In terms of a little bit of that capitulation, I told you guys a little bit of a what we say, just always with your trend lines, have a bit of here we had two trend lines, multiple trend lines in play that you know, right? We had this specific level of prior resistance confirmed as support. Then we also had this level here of support. So to the extent that we have found an agreement there, or kind of a happy medium between those two lines, very important, right? Sometimes you may think I'm losing a line of resistance, and always, guys, draw your lines out. You may say I'm losing this line of resistance, right? It's very important to be complete with your technicals, have your trade game, your desktop, etc. going, guys. In terms of the level of support here, right, on that hourly, you may be in this zone like, I'm losing this line. I'm just going to lose it. We're going to lose it. I have to release my position, right? It's not going to hold this bottom line support. Well, that may not be the only line in effect, right? And shout out to VIP. I know that Freddie in the back and some others got just an immediately on it perfect entry here. Just beautifully well done. Way to go. Again, congrats to the VIP top level of the trade group. And if you guys are not booking trades, if you're not booking trades, we'd like to know why, guys. Who's messing you up? If it's yourself, then understand it can be challenging unless you focus fully. I'll tell you that, guys. But when I say jokingly, and to some extent not in terms of who's messing you up. Is it the next answer you're looking for on YouTube? Because that can mess you up, guys. Is it the next, kind of guilty pleasure? You just kind of like to watch such and such, even though you know it's not normally right. Man, get yourself a guidebook. Get yourself a New York Institute of Finance book. Get yourself a real deal Holyfield kind of map to go by. Otherwise, man, just take the cash and drive down the freeway and throw it out the window. Period. Yeah, and just throw it out the window. That's just not. It's just not the type of market to do that in, right? Gauge your expectations in terms of your returns, right? Always, as I look at the expansion on the candle wicks here, a little bit in terms of the lower threshold and upper threshold to kind of present a little bit of a variation on the regression trend here. In terms of upward price action, always being ready on the Fibonacci the Fibonacci's. Shout out to Marge. What's up, Marge? How are you? Hope you're doing well tonight. Shout out to Venus. What's up, Venus? Pathfinder in the house. What's up, Pathfinder? I'll stop naming all of you off because everyone else goes away. You guys notice that? Anyone else? We got base campers too. We're just looking forward to base campers deciding to join VIP. Base camp is it's what's up. It's literally what's up, i.e. returns. Look at this, base campers. I know why you're base camp, but look at this. Drawing the ascending triangle, right? Before the ascending triangle. Base campers are used to this. Huh? This is the problem. They're used to this. They're used to us projecting to a pattern fulfillment like this. It's very rare. It's very rare, base campers. We want you to step up into the game. Look at this number of 4 hourly green candles. That's all right, huh? We'll take that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row. What's up, guys? That's not bad, huh? Not bad. Look at this one here. A lot of volatility. Boom, boom, right? Big time. Nice price action for BTC. Look at this. A drop of 2.54%. If you were long in a 100X at the wrong spot, you got absolutely thrilled, right, didn't you? Out of your position. In terms of this specific move here, look at how sweetly that is. Guys, it lined up there. Level of support to resistance. Beautiful, right? Look at this, 23.6. You see that 23.6? And make sure, let me go ahead and make these a little more prominent so you guys can see them. I will do this for the stream. I lighten these up so that I can get charts in the back and they don't have all these lines everywhere because we have 3 or 4 lines of Fibonacci's going on, and it's a lot, guys. So I know the VIP are trading right now, period. Freddie, I know you're in a position right now. Anthony, I know you're in a position right now. Sean, something tells me you are in a position right now. What's up? And yeah, you guys, when you trade, it just makes the whole thing work. And it's just nice. It's the way it's supposed to be. Now, just remember those 100 rounds. But look at this. This is going on, right? This is literally how many hours, guys? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. All right. So time to bet against Bitcoin. Well, you've got a full 24 hours worth of 4-hour candles. Each candle is 4 hours. Okay, that entirety is just completely scoped to the upside. Look at this, just nice, beautiful repeat framework here. Just very, very impressive. You still have to watch your entries, of course. Your entries need to be precise and to the downside, right? Without a doubt. Now, in terms of the threshold that we would look at, we did have a downside target here. I scoped that out for VIP. In terms of this specific move here, we can go through this real quickly. And in terms of that, we got close. It was just under that 23.6, I'd say. As we get some positive price action now, we got within a number of dollars, literally, of the target. We got it within, looks like 30, I'd say $25.46. All right. All right. And within 25 bucks of that downside target, still technically a target. We have a few of those. But bulls are just showing up. Look at the price action, guys. Very exciting to see up 0.34%. It's not much unless you're really trading. And if you're really trading, you know what is going on. Well, look who decided to show up. My amigo, hombre mío, ¿cómo estamos? Of my love for VIP. Look at Angel in the house. Angel, nice to see you, brother. My man, what's going on? Angel. Man, Angel. Angel. What's up? I know, Angel, I know you've been busy. You told me you're really busy. You had some things going on. Like, I'm just going to let Angel coast because when you're busy, I tell people when Angel's busy, he's busy. I say that to people all the time, and you know that, Angel. So without a doubt, I was like, I'm going to give him just a little bit of room to breathe. He says, hello, London and all VIP. My participation on Livestream should not be indicative of my love for VIP. Life has to be life and has nothing to do with the crypto market. London, what's up, my man? Angel, I've got my, for some reason, my phone is completely wasted. I can't chat with you now. I'm so sorry, but I can definitely read that, and I'm excited about that. And we are laying waste, Angel, Mr. Matos, we are laying waste. I mean, absolute annihilative waste to the market in terms of the overall returns. Now, I have to bring this up to you. First of all, you see this move. Look at this, ascending triangulation indicated by yours truly. Look at this. With the pickup here, you got it right, brother. That ascending triangle was before we picked up here. Boom. Yes, that is VIP without a doubt. And Angel, we love you. We're so excited to see you. I want to chat with you soon. Let's talk soon. Let's do something fun. I got a new day digs. Good place to set up for trading, etc. Nice place. Having a great time. Look at BTC just rocking and rolling, guys. Up 0.77%. And Angel, these are real big-time bruiser, like continual daily returns. And I know you know this, but it's like ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. It's just continually. If I showed you all of them that we have, and I've been telling people, listen to this, you'll love this. Listen, Freddie said this yesterday. I love this, Freddie. Thank you. We'll get to the price action, guys. This is important. Bro, I am so thankful to you and VIP. This was in the main chat. He says, today I made in one day what I make in 1 week of putting in 60 hours. That's Freddie saying thank you to VIP. He's so thankful for VIP because he made more in 1 day in the market than he puts in, than he makes in an entire week putting in 60 hours. That is VIP. What's up? That's beautiful. My man Freddie, what's going on, brother? What's up? So, and I always tell you guys, it's important for me to know that you guys are doing well. And that's demonstrated. Angel's our top contributor at, he's done well enough, huh? 58.5 thousand. Very important. And when we have this level of success, it's just reinforced when you guys are literally just in Angel. What I say to everyone is, like, you don't go to a party, you don't go to a dance and like, I'm going to go sit in the corner. No, you go to the party like, I'm going to go tear up the dance floor. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show everybody what I got. I'm going to do it, right? That's kind of VIP, guys. When you're doing well in the market, we like to hear from you. Yeah, we like to see that you guys are doing well. Like, you let the whole, you show up at the parties like, I'm going to sit here in the back. You ain't going to sit there in the back. You got to hit the dance floor, right? So that's our super chats. That's what we do, right? That's what we're about, guys. We'd like to provide that medium and the technology and the framework and the TA and everything, guys, complete package so you guys can take it to the bank. Boom. I mean, literally to the bank, right? And that's the idea in terms of trading. And that's why we're here, just to let you know. And Angel, nice to have you here. I know you've been busy, man. I know you've been really busy. A lot's been going on, but it's nice to see a little rebound, particularly in BTC, right? And man, what are the odds with the USD, United States dollar, versus United States dollar tether? Oh, guys, we have a long discussion. USD, USDT didn't hit the golden pocket on the macro. A lot of issues, guys. A lot of issues going on. But VIP we are proof that we're still trading, still successfully. The market can throw whatever the market wants to throw at us, as we're looking at the hit on the 23.6 right now. Very nice hit. But the market can throw anything, guys, at VIP. I'm telling you guys, between the tether, guys, we don't need to cover this again. We can, right? It's more interesting to look at the patterns in the price action right now. It's been consistently, the last 24 hours have been going up, okay? So I'm not ignoring the price action, but it is what it is. And in terms of the statement here, in terms of, and Alejandro, want to let you know you can join VIP. I'm going to delete the comment because this is just VIP space, brother. This is restricted for VIP only in terms of the comments, etc. And yeah, it's a trade group, and we invite everyone to join VIP. And to the extent that people are joined, I just say I normally what I'll do is I'll hide the user from the channel. I'll just go ahead and do that so that they won't disrupt the chat ongoing at all for the VIP. That's just the way that it is. And so I did, and my phone just powered back up, thankfully, so I could put Angel. Boom. There we go, brother. Hey, boom. And in terms of the framework here, let's just cover this real quickly. I want to go through this one time so we all understand exactly what I'm talking about so that you have an educated framework to discuss with your friends, your family, your banker, your anybody, guys, in terms of just your kids, your wife, your family, anything. Look at this, okay? This is the dollar pair. BTC, Bitcoin dollar pair, okay? The Bitcoin dollar pair. And with all VIP and yourself. Just Life London couldn't be truthful with all my VIP and yourself. Everything's great. I'm just glad you're here, brother. I'm glad you're here. Let's make sure on this USD. Look at the price we hit into the golden pocket perfectly into the 65% retracement. That's a 65% discount. Anyone in the market, please pay attention to this, guys. Anyone in the market, and please hold yourself to this regard, okay? Please hold yourself to this regard. All of you, and please listen to this. If you are not consistently either being reminded that you just hit the golden pocket on the USD, right? On the USD, period. And Angel, I don't know how much TA at all you've had recently, so I want to zone in on this real quickly just to make sure you get a bite of the best apple you can in terms of TA, period. And then we'll lighten up. But I got to cover this for you, brother. USD, United States, Bitcoin, United States dollar, boom. Look at that. Beautiful onto the 65th percentile. 24,500. There is no other story at all, okay? There's not a cross-directional pickup. There's not a zone, X, Y, or Z. It's the Fibonacci, guys. It's the golden pocket. That's it, period. Okay, that's it. This level will hold where we have the 786 or the 86, period. We know our fibs. We know targeting. Now, the most important aspect here is the following, guys. The 65th percent retracement was hit on BTC USD. However, on BTC USDT, it was not hit. All right? Now, this is hugely important. When the tether peg just happened to drop, right? 24,500. Right? Well, how did the tether drop? Okay, how did the D-peg affect anyone trading tether? Look at this, guys. On the low to the high on the tether, you didn't even hit the 61.8. It's a big deal, guys. Orders were waiting, period. We still traded this. I got to tell you, we still traded this. Jubal and I were in the back. Okay, we were trading this. We were down in there. I was on another chart, a USD chart, Jubal. And Jubal from Alaska, VIP, great trader. Exciting to chat with you, brother, earlier today. We didn't even hit the 61.8 because Tether depegged. Thus, just understand this, guys. Tether depegged, lost its dollar peg. Thus, just listen to this, guys. This is monumental in terms of the crypto market and the fact that VIP are still doing well. When Tether depegged, okay, Bitcoin became more expensive, okay, relatively more expensive than with the flat US dollar. Okay, so you didn't even get down to the 61.8. Those orders weren't picked up. The 26,233 institutionally recognized level. Okay, so the big question is, well, we've got BTC USD, and we have to say right into the 24.5, that golden pocket. Hey guys, we look forward to that stuff all year long. Literally, the golden pocket. Then we have, instead of 24.5, we're at 26.5. $2,000 difference. Big deal. Big deal, guys. Hugely important that we go through this. And I want to cover that in the context of the fact that VIP are still killing it, still hitting it out of the park. You just can't take it away from VIP, guys. You can't. But that single component of the golden pocket hit, I want everybody to know, without a doubt, that's what's gone on with crypto. And anyone who's not addressing the dollar to the tether issue, guys, do yourself the favor and do your own TA, period. If you can't do your own TA, guys, if you can't do it, and I know every VIP can. If you can't do your own TA, what are you bringing? What are you bringing? Back to your account? Somebody else's idea, right? That you can't even really judge as right or wrong. That's literally why VIP, when they're booking trades like this, I am so excited because they know exactly what they're doing. Boom, 169%, 500%. Look at this, guys, 90%. We woke up with Anthony at 250%. Just today. Multiple triple digits, and working on that 100 rounds, right? Those 100 rounds are just hugely important, guys. Just hugely important. So I'm bringing up this Tether dollar issue for one reason, because it literally rocked the traders. You have no idea how it rocked the traders. You guys don't know. It's thrown in a dynamic to the trading that is to be commented upon and heavily looked into. I'm going to tell you by people a lot more important than in terms of governmental, etc. And not just so it's a segue, it's an open door to regulation. No, guys, they gotta fix this. That's how I feel. No, somebody got to come in and fix this. All right, that's how I feel, guys. Okay, because we can't get nobody going to be ripping off VIP like that. Now, VIP have thrived in the state of turmoil and lack of directness, right? But you don't take the as Angel would say, like you don't take the bread off the table like that. Not at a full course meal with VIP and everybody with their order set. You don't just come by and just take the bread off the table, guys. No. That's some bread on the table, guys. So still the understanding that USDT and some VIP still want to hit below on the 65th, period. They do. But I just want you all framed into never shopping for your TA. Throw it out the window. That 2 to 5 minutes is only just a little peek to see what they're getting wrong. No. Doesn't work. Does not work here. Will not have it. I'm not into it, guys. You don't look to people for the wrong answers. You look to yourself for the right answers. And I thought of this example today real quickly, and then we'll get into some chat. Angel will talk a little bit, and Freddie will look forward to chatting with you as well. But one of the things is you guys went to college, you went to school, right? What was the best thing about any teacher as we watch the slow grind of Bitcoin heading to the upside? What was the best thing of any teacher? Like in college, oh, that class is easy. Oh man, that class is easy, man. No. You man, just show up. Or you don't even really have to show up, or you have to show up, and then no, man. Everybody gets an A, man. Everybody gets an A in that class. So that was my thought today. Oh no, don't worry about that. Everybody gets an A in that class. The favorite classes, you guys know this, right? Now, I'm no teacher like that, right? I like to inspire you guys. I trade with you guys. We have a great time, right? Line them up like tin cans with, with a shotgun on a top of a fence post. Let's do it, right? Let's do something. Let's just knock these down. Let's hit the trades. We have the right mentality. But I'm going to tell you guys, the average trader, the average person wants the easy route. They want the easy answer. They want the easy teacher, the easy environment where they don't have to do the work. It's just going to come to them. It's relaxing. Someone figuring out we're going to make $200,000 this year. I barely have to work. I make $250,000. No worries. The market's down. I still beat the market. I make whatever that figment of the imagination is. It's that carryover from that going to be a cakewalk in kind of college or middle school. Oh, that's the easiest teacher. It's no problem. You're going to get an A. Yeah, don't worry. All the rest of the TA out there, I'm going to tell you guys, if they're not talking about the golden pocket, nobody is. Hello, guys. No one's telling you about the tether peg and the dollar peg. Just focus in. And I see too many VIP doing too well to let you guys shop around. And I like when you guys shop around. You wind up getting YouTube link in somehow with Google, linked in with another investment advice of a new coin or a this or that shows up on your mobile phone. And for the next 3, 6, or however many months or years, you're zoned into that investment decision. And this is the next altcoin. This is the next thing. And that's important for me as you guys scale in and make your own decisions, right? That's a big deal, guys. And I hope you received what I just said right there. Doing your own work, looking at your own, the own framework of what you got going on. And we got Freddie with a show up. What's up, Freddie? VIP goes 100 rounds. That's right. Don't they, Freddie? And I have a video. I have a message from Freddie this morning. And I told you, Freddie, you're the only one. I know you trade because you're the only one who understands this between the 100-round crew. And check this out. Freddie said this morning, I've told you guys, when you book your trades and it starts lighting up green triple digits, you're going to have a problem. And what's the problem you're going to have? You're going to be making money. I promise you, period. You're going to find it as an inescapable problem of your trading. You're going to be making money. That's going to be your problem. And Freddie understands what that means. Thank you for the expression, the kindness. It's $25. VIP, what does it say? Let me squeeze it. There's VIP goes 100 rounds. Boom. That's priceless. That's priceless there, right? But Freddie left me a message this morning. Hope I can tell him about it. And Freddie literally says, London, I have to tell you that he was trying not to laugh. He's like, it's a serious thing. This and that was going on, everything else. But I understand what you're saying. No, I do have a problem right now. I'm making too much. I'm making money. Like, it's impossible to not make money. He gets it. He's working his trades. You can't understand it until you get there. You'll have days where you'll have a problem. That problem will be it's going to be impossible for you not to make money. Okay? And Freddie gets it because he's trading. Period. What's up, Freddie? Boom, right? And you get it, right? It is a problem. And it is, I have a problem now. It's just impossible for me not to make money. Boom, 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 boom. Hitting your trades. Literally, guys, just slamming. Bam, bam, bam. And we just got guys off the I've got all types of, we got them. Look, 540%, 453%. Hello. Just say hello, beautiful. VIP in the house, 508, 508%, 169, 90%. Guys, we've got a string, a litany of trades from guys doing 100 rounds who are running into a problem on certain days. Man, it's impossible for me not to make money. Freddie gets it. What's up? I told you. And great job. As we watch this demonstration by Bitcoin of not giving up on this key line of support. Boom. Love the TA. Guys, TA is something else to think about. It's not everything in life, guys. It's just something else to think about. You got a million other things going on. Focus on the market. Focus on your trades. Get things together. Relax a little. Focus on your community. Be a brother to your friends, right? Just, we're your friends. Just be cool people. It ain't all TA. But we got good stuff going on with the market. Level of support, level of resistance. This is just, what do you call this, guys? Just smoked it, huh? Just boom, right? Just completely smoked it. Completely annihilated that call. And what do we got here? I'm just excited about that. I love when we put something out. We've just been hot lately. It's been hot, guys. It's been hot. Look at this. Here we go. Boom. Looking at this.
Incoming move. I want to talk about this on Bitcoin.
Yeah, okay. Talking about that, giving it to the Twitter crowd. That specific feature before boom. While it was curving down, going into nowhere, calling it out like she should have been called out. Buyer stepping in, boom. That's what I'm talking about. That's huge. That's huge. That's VIP, guys. That's VIP. That's the way to go. So we got to do some light it up for Freddie. Maybe Angel want to super chat a little bit. I don't know, Angel. Maybe you want to super chat a little bit. That would be very, very fun. That would be fun. Hey, it would be fun. We have fun when people super chat. Let's crank this out. Make sure you're watching this on a big screen TV and make sure you dial down the volume just a little bit in case.
How may I help you? Thank you and enjoy your flight. Once airborne, the captain will let you know when you can use approved electronic devices.
Bam! There we go. That is for Freddie in the house. Very exciting to have the VIP here tonight. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We're really excited about this specific pickup. We'll call the pattern in terms of the specific. What do we say? I want to see the Moon Man Angel. Let's go. Hey, Moon Man. Yeah, see, Angel, they like your rocket. They like your different stuff. They don't get to see that unless you super chat. It's been a while. We haven't seen that rocket in months, man. Angel's been months. Been like 3-4 months, man. Come on, Angel. VIP, bro. It's been months. Come on. It can't be, whatever it is, it can't be that bad, Angel. I mean, come on. It's been months. Like 3, 4, 5 months. We're glad you're here. We're glad you're here. But, yeah, they like the Angel Air. They like the jets. They like the different stuff. It's part of the fun. And I know the market's been rough. A little bit rough for everybody. A little bit rough for everybody. You can't let it get you down. You've been around 779, etc. You got to pick it up. You got to be around people who want you to pick it up. Let's roll. right? Let's roll. Come on. Let's roll. Best pattern that we haven't had in the back. Freddie, very much appreciated. Thanks for the commentary, for the spirit, etc. In and around. It's just important. Just bring the spirit, man. Just bring the hype. Bring the hype. Bring the fuel, right? It's important. Top level of resistance, support. This is on the micro, okay? Now, we can talk about the details herein. We can talk about the fact of the resistance to support, the 1-2 to the 1. Not really another 1-2, is there? We prefer the 1-2, at least without counting this original hitch in. Just to talk about demonstrated technicals real quickly. Technicals have been on fire. They've been really great. Setting a flat top is kind of a reconstructed moment here with a 1-2-1 and not another 2 into support, right? So BTC just killing it. Been doing a great job of providing the VIP with profits. I know you guys are making money without a doubt. And Angel Brother, I hope you text me, send me a message, do something, send me a fun video, do something good. Let me know that things are rocking and rolling the way they need to be. I always tell people when Angel's busy, he's busy. And I get adamant about it. Angel knows that. Everybody knows that. He's like, hey, he's busy, fine. So he's been busy recently. So that's good. We just don't want you to follow the map for 5 months or so, or 3 months or so. We're gonna stay busy. We're gonna be trading. You'll know VIP will be trading. So in terms of the level of resistance across the top, level of support across the bottom, in a expanded wedge now. Okay, so we are heading towards our top line target. What's up, guys? What's up? That's what's up, guys. Top line target. Boom. Nobody else is hitting targets, guys. Not like this. I promise you. I promise you, guys. No other group is throwing around targets like this. Everybody agree? Boom. VIP? Boom. You guys making money. Top line feature. In terms of level of support, the agreement between the buyers on support and the sellers on resistance. The agreement. In terms of the featurable price concluding in the apex, the constricted peak, boom, right? 31,017 was that quote-unquote agreement, right, that we targeted. Copy that. That you've seen a recoup thus far of the entirety of the move. Huge. To be able, it's a very big blue. The one, right? You guys know this.